Thanks, Joe. A former court employee is speaking out about a judge in North Las Vegas tonight. The worker says she was told to run personal errands for Judge Catherine Ramsey while on the clock.
The person making the allegations no longer works for the court and recently opened up to the I-Team's Glenn Meek. She asked us to not show her face because she's concerned about repercussions.
But we have verified she worked for the court and has made the same allegations in a formal complaint that you're about to hear.
Did Judge Ramsey ever direct you to run personal errands for her on taxpayer time?
All the time.
This person is a former North Las Vegas Municipal Court employee who at one time worked with Judge Catherine Ramsey. Among the personal errands the worker says the judge directed them to do: file paperwork at the family court in connection with the judge's former spouse, pick up the judge's tax returns, and this.
On 2 occasions, she had me purchase lottery tickets, drive to Arizona in the middle of the day, purchase lottery tickets.
The former worker says there were also favors requested by the judge that extended after work hours.
She would take a trip to Laughlin, her and her husband, for a week, and I would be responsible for babysitting her daughter. Her daughter would come stay with me.
A couple of questions before you go any further. Is that something you wanted to do?
No, no.
Why did you do it?
Out of fear.
The former employee initiated a complaint with the city's Human Resources Department, but that department has no authority over the judge, who is an elected official. The HR investigation did conclude there was a hostile work environment at the court. That conclusion is echoed by another city employee who also wanted their identity protected.
She is abusive towards employees in her courtroom. I have witnessed her become angry and scream at employees in her courtroom, and as a result of that, she has created a very hostile work environment.
Judge Ramsey is involved in a lawsuit with the city. She claims the city should have defended her in a separate lawsuit filed by another employee. The city, meanwhile, filed an ethics complaint against the judge, in part because the judge used her city purchase card to help pay for a lawyer the city refused to provide. Glenn Meek, 8 News Now.
We requested an on-camera interview with Judge Ramsey, but got a 9-page statement from her attorney in response. The same statement given to human resources investigators after the complaint was filed by the former employee. Among other things, Ramsey asserts that she and the former employee were friends, and the employee volunteered to watch her daughter, but was not forced to do so. That although the judge authorized the employee to pick up her taxes because they were friends, the employee never actually picked them up. Judge Ramsey never directed the employee to run private errands during work hours, but both would run errands during their lunch hour. The statement did not specifically address the alleged lottery trips to Arizona.